My family at home. Welcome, dear viewers. We are delighted to have you here. Get ready for an exciting and engaging experience. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start. Family is the heart of a happy and fulfilling life. It is the place where love, care, and support create a strong foundation for every individual. My family is my greatest treasure, and our home is the center of all the joy, learning, and warmth that binds us together. In our home, every family member plays a special role. My father is the backbone of the family. He works hard every day to provide for us and ensures we have everything we need. His wisdom and experience guide us in making important decisions. He is a man of principles, always teaching us the values of honesty, discipline, and hard work. Whenever we face any problem, he is the first person we turn to for advice. His calm and composed nature helps us deal with challenges in a positive way. My mother is the heart of our home. She is loving, caring, and always ready to support us in every situation. She manages the house beautifully, making sure everything is in order, from preparing delicious meals to helping us with our studies. She does everything with a smile on her face. Her warm hugs and kind words make all our worries disappear. She is also our best friend, someone we can talk to about anything without hesitation. I have a younger brother and an elder sister. My sister is like my second mother. She takes care of me and helps me with my schoolwork. She is very responsible and always looks out for us. My brother, on the other hand, is full of energy and mischief. He makes everyone laugh with his funny jokes and playful nature. Even though he sometimes annoys me, I love him dearly. Our sibling bond is strong, and we always stand by each other. Our home is always filled with love and laughter. We start our day together by having breakfast as a family. It is a special time where we discuss our plans for the day. My parents always encourage us to do our best in everything we do. After school, I love spending time with my family. We share stories about our day, talk about interesting things, and learn from each other. My father often tells us inspiring stories about his experiences, and my mother shares valuable life lessons. These moments teach us important values and help us grow into responsible individuals. Dinner time is another important part of our day. We all sit together, enjoy a delicious meal, and talk about different topics. It is a time of bonding and relaxation. Sometimes we play games or watch movies together after dinner. These simple activities bring us closer and create beautiful memories. Our family loves celebrating special occasions. Birthdays are always exciting, filled with surprises, gifts, and delicious food. We decorate the house, cut a cake, and spend the day enjoying each other's company. My parents always make sure that every birthday is memorable. Festivals bring even more joy to our home. Whether it is a religious celebration or a national holiday, we celebrate with enthusiasm. We decorate the house, prepare special dishes, and invite relatives and friends. My mother loves cooking traditional foods, and we all help her in the kitchen. The house is filled with laughter, music, and the sweet aroma of delicious food. One of our favorite traditions is our weekend family outing. Every Sunday, we go out together, either to a park, a restaurant, or sometimes on a short trip. It is our way of taking a break from our busy schedules and spending quality time with each other. These outings strengthen our bond and create wonderful memories that we cherish forever. Like every family, we also face challenges. There are times when misunderstandings arise, or we have to deal with difficult situations. However, what makes our family special is the way we handle these challenges together. We believe in open communication and always listen to each other's opinions. If one of us is feeling low, the rest of the family comes together to offer support and encouragement. During tough times, my parents always remind us that challenges are part of life and that we should never give up. Their words of wisdom give us strength and help us stay positive. Having a supportive family makes every difficulty seem easier to overcome. Growing up in a loving family has taught me many valuable lessons. I have learned the importance of kindness, patience, and gratitude. My parents have always taught us to respect others and be honest in everything we do. They have shown us that true happiness lies in caring for others and staying united as a family. From my father, I have learned the value of hard work and determination. He has always told us that success comes from dedication and perseverance. From my mother, I have learned the importance of love and kindness. She has shown us that a simple act of kindness can bring a smile to someone's face. My siblings have taught me the value of teamwork and support. No matter how much we fight, we always stand by each other when it matters the most. We have learned that family is our biggest strength and that we should always cherish the time we spend together. Home is not just a building. It is a place filled with love, warmth, and security. It is where we feel safe and valued. No matter where I go, I always look forward to coming back home. The love and care of my family make our home the best place in the world. I am grateful for my family and everything they do for me. They are my source of strength and inspiration. Life is beautiful when you have a loving family by your side. My family is my greatest blessing, and I cherish every moment I spend with them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.